Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my code how to calculate the option price using Black-Scholes formula. This is code sample is to calculate the stock option price for call option and put option. The code is very basic and very simple, and I'm going to quickly explain about the parameters. S is current stock price, K is strike price, R is risk-free interest rate, vol is volatility, T is time to expiry, CP is just a boolean for call or put. And D1 and D2 I explained in my previous video. These are used for as the input of cumulative distribution function. And the first one, mylist, means using my distribution function. And I'm going to compare the result of using my approximation function of CDF and Python's built-in function. It's called a CDF. Maybe I named it as CDF. I'm not sure. Was it CDF? Oh no, the default name is CDF, I think. And this code is the same as in my previous video. And then I prepared some example of these for 2 calls and 2 put options price. And these are calculating the stock option prices. And the first parameter 42.0 or 42 is current stock price, and 40 is the strike price, 0.1 is the interest rate, 10%, 0.2 is the volatility, 20%, and 0.5 is time to maturity, 6 months or half a year. And CP is a call and put options, respectively, and true and false. The true and false, the last boolean is true is using my distribution function. The false is Python's CDF. And let's see the result of running this program. Using polynomial approximation function for CDF, the call price is 4.76. Using Python built-in CDF, same call price is 4.76. For put option price, the result is both 0.81. So that means if you don't have the built-in CDF function, you use the approximation function I showed in my previous video to calculate the option prices. So I think that's a very useful cumulative distribution function for standard distribution. So you should remember it. And this code is very basic but very useful as well. So you should remember it if you want to be a quant analyst in the future. I hope this helps a bit of your learning, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching, and see you. Bye.